Visit the general store in Rabbit Hash, just down the hill. Oh, I like this.
Good.
Cajun potato salad and candied bacon.
Is the mayor floating around?
He's here, you'll hear him.
I'm going on another amazing adventure.
I'm just glad that we actually got some decent weather finally.
Yeah.
Last couple of weeks have just been spotty at best. In fact, we just did a camp out with the Confers for Shelly's birthday, and we were actually parked across from Hopping Trails with the Hopkins. And between the two spots, it looked like a pond.
More like a swamp.
Yeah. So it's nice to actually be able to get out here and not have to worry about whether or not it's going to rain or we're going to run across flooding.
Yeah.
Or
This whole route was in some of these towns were super flooded a few weeks ago.
Today we are taking a short little detour over to a town known as,
Rabbit Hash.
which is a quaint little town on the Ohio River, on the Kentucky side of the Ohio River. And from what I understand, we're also going to get a chance to meet the mayor of Rabbit Hash. And you'll know why that's important in just a minute. Directly across the Ohio River from Rising Sun, Indiana, sits a funky little town known as Rabbit Hash, an historic riverside town known for its laid-back nature and its famous general store.
If you're coming from Rising Sun, you can actually take a ferry across the river. The ferry runs from Rising Star Casino and takes about 10 minutes all told, which will put you about a mile away from Rabbit Hash.
Visit the general store in Rabbit Hash, just down the hill. Well, let's head on down there, shall we?
Oh, wine tasting room.
Well, I guess we could do that.
Hi. I saw wine tasting room and
That's the dryer.
Thank you.
This is a semi.
okay.
Oh, I like this.
Good. I've sold a lot of bottles of that today. You like yours?
Yeah, it's good.
Our vineyard is 5 miles down the road here, where Gunpowder Creek meets the Ohio River.
Okay.
And the grapes are grown there, the blackberries are grown there. This is called Uncle Bud's Blackberry Wine. I'll let you have a taste too. This is going to probably be a little, it's not real sweet like you would think, like a fruit wine. This is aged in
good.
bourbon barrels.
Okay.
But it's going to be a lot sweeter than the Norton.
This one's really good.
Isn't that good? That's,
Yeah. You want a glass?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a glass of the, what was the blackberry one that I liked?
Bud's Blackberry.
Yeah.
You know what, I'm gonna do the same thing.
Okay.
Surprisingly.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I wonder where we order at.
I don't know.
I guess over
Let's
here.
go see.
Mine just got out of warranty. I'm starting to smoke.
Can I just get some plain smoked pork on a bun?
And barbecue sauce?
Sure.
Absolutely.
Got a little bit of flavor on it.
Heard it, heard it. All right, what else for you? Anything to drink? We have soda and water in the cooler.
I'll take a water.
Okay.
I'll get a soda.
Okie doke.
What do you got?
Cajun potato salad and candied bacon.
And I've got the Max pulled pork smoked barbecue. How is it?
Really good. Hold on, I'll try the. You'll like that.
I'm gonna try the candy bacon. That's good. I see why they want you to grab some napkins before you get to your table. And this sandwich is so big, I'm gonna have to eat it with a fork. Can't argue with that. How was your meal overall?
Really good.
Chef Hippie and Rabbit Hash, check it out. Well worth it. Next, it was time to check out the Rabbit Hash General Store.
I've never had that, but I'm gonna try it.
Is that the potato candy?
No, it's the cream pulled candy.
Because they have potato candy there too.
Bridge right around the corner there. I see no Miller Lite in there.
All right, hold these.
She found a clothes rack, so of course she has to stop and look.
Just like it because
Rabbit Hash Volunteer Fire Department String Band and SWAT Team.
Well, which one?
Which one do you like better?
I guess that one.
$13.
We're on the same wavelength here. We're not going to tell you what to do.
Ain't getting in that hunt.
Is the mayor floating around?
If he's here, you'll hear him. He's
Okay.
a Coon Hound.
Which one is he? The
He's
or
a Coon Hound. There's a
Oh,
picture of him right back there.
There he is.
okay.
This looks very historical, and the actual area is, but the general store behind us is actually a recreation. It burned to the ground in 2013.
I thought they said 2016.
The Rabbit Hash General Store was gutted by flames February 13th. Crews worked to save what they could, and neighbors saved things like the big sign off the front of the building. The store's been in operation since 1831 and will have to be rebuilt with period materials to remain on the National Register of Historic Places.
They rebuilt it almost identical to what it was previously. So if you are visiting here, it is a recreation, but it is a very, very loyal recreation of the general store.
I mean, it looks identical to me from the last time we were here with the original.
Yeah, it's almost like foot for foot identical to what was there previously. So that was a look at Rabbit Hash. Unfortunately, we did not get a chance to meet the mayor this time, but we did see his photo hanging in the general store. The mayor of Rabbit Hash, no joke, is a basset hound. And that is a tradition with Rabbit Hash in that the mayor is always a dog. And the dogs do run against each other. That you do have to vote, but the vote ultimately comes down to which dog do you want to serve as mayor of Rabbit Hash. And the ferry to get back and forth from Rising Sun to Rabbit Hash, it's what, $8 round trip?
Yep, something like that. $8.99. I'm not sure. $5.99 one way.
So if you are staying in Indiana and you want to check out Rabbit Hash, it's just a quick little hop across the river on the ferry, $8 round trip, and then you hop back on the ferry, go right back. It's actually through Rising Star Casino. So if you're staying at the Rising Star campground, or if you're staying at Beyonder Getaway with our friends that were there, it's really easy to get over here. And it's well worth it, especially during the day if you just have some time to kill, or you just want to check out a really interesting, fun little hole-in-the-wall place. Check out Rabbit Hash.
We brought our kids here years ago, and they were little, and they loved it.
If you've been to Rabbit Hash before, let us know in the comments. What was your favorite part about it? I know the barbecue is really good, Chef Hippie.
Yeah.
We are boarding the ferry to go back across the river, so that will conclude our look at Rabbit Hash today. Let us know what you think. comment down below, like, subscribe, notify, all that jazz. You know the routine by this point. If you want more videos, we'll just put a playlist right here in between the two of us. You can check it out. It's our entire YouTube series. And make sure that you check back soon for our next video.
I need another amazing adventure.